Therefore, we shall fear no evil. This IPOB shall fear no evil. Even if the whole world is against us, even if Britain intensifies their effort to cross this very light of hope in sub-Saharan Africa, even though they shake the mountains, even though the seas may rise, even though they may give all the weapons and ammunition to the Zoological Republic, no matter what they do, no matter how they foment their rage, it doesn't matter to us. For God, Biafra, is in the land of Biafra. We shall never ever be moved. This God of the ancients will help us now and forevermore. For Biafra shall come, and this Lord of hosts is with us. Biafra, the same God of Jacob, this same God of Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego, this God that never abandons his people, this same God is our refuge, and we proclaim it unashamedly that this God that we kneel and bow before, we shall worship thee, for Biafra is your promise. Your word is yea and amen. Instead of your word not to come to pass, heaven and earth will cease to exist. Upon this very hope we anchor all our belief that Biafra shall come in our time, and we pray that it come this very year, that your glory may be made manifest in the lives of men, that we may kneel and bow before thee. We are hands so ready to learn supper. May German Israel at you like a provision. Go to Tonina, where there is a then so Ugama Wembodina beginning.
Otito dịrị gị Jehova Jire onye eluigwe. Chukwu okike abịa ma anyị na-ekene gị, anyị na-enye gị mbunye na anyị si nara ekele, nara otito, nara nsọpụrụ. Ugwu nke a na-arị na-atụ egwu ugbu a ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ise. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to some of you, and a good night to some of you. From me, from here is good evening. I welcome men and women in today's program. I welcome all the goodwill wishers people. I welcome all the good people all over the world to today's program. I say welcome all of you in the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama. He say, please, before we move, do us a favor, subscribe to our channel. This is our channel. This is where we'll be preaching the gospel of truth. Okwu ke Chineke, okwu nke na-atụnye mmiri, okwu nke eluigwe na-atụnye mmiri. Subscribe, share our video, join us, drop your comment. As you are doing this, I say may Chukwu Okike Abiama, onye nke ọba akpa ofu ugboro ọzọ ugboro asaa. Ana m asị ugwu nke a na-arị atụ egwu, ya gozie gị pụrụ mmaji na mmaji. Let's go. Today, we are going to talk to any country that is supporting, aiding that country so-called Nigerian zoo country, that is heavily corrupt country. Today, the leader of indigenous people was in the courts. Why I'm doing this program is for many of you, for many people who say they are followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to gather everybody around. Anybody who said that he's following the footsteps of our leader because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is where I paid my allegiance to. Because of his honest man and the truth. Because of what this man preach is what he's doing. Today in the court, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have demonstrated how lion he is. He have showed that you have to be resolute before your enemy. You have to be fearless before your enemy. you have to speak the truth before your enemy, that you have to stand in the truth at all times. This is what Mazi and Kanu have demonstrated today in the court. My leader, from me, I say, I give you heads. I salute you, my supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What you preach is what you are doing. It's what you are demonstrating to people. You are letting us to know there is no way you can fight these people. You will only fight them with resistance and the consistency and with truth and honest. That is the only way we can win this battle. And this is what you have been the symbol. You have been showing us what you are preaching. My leader, asimo onye ndekaga ụwa ọzọ m ga-anụ ife ndekaga akọkwana m. Onye ndeka Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu, the supreme leader of this movement, ife ndeka ya akọna mmadụ. This man is a very, very honest man. Is Messiah. You are looking for when Messiah will come. Messiah have already come. Makunu mande nepe church, nde nebu Bible. Look at, I'm calling all the country, all the international countries that is supporting this so-called Nigeria, the highest corrupt country in the highest order, where corruption is the order of the day. Where in this planet that this kind of thing will be happening, everybody keep quiet. International community keep quiet because of what? They are not reaching themselves from these corruptions that this government, so-called Nigerian government, with corruption from judiciary is corrupt, executive is corrupt. Where are you going to talk about? Legislature is corrupt. There is nothing to talk about over this country. This country that is killing his own citizens, killing the citizens of Biafra, killing the Christian. People are countries, international community, like a country like Finland. This is what Finland is supporting. Let's call things by their name. Finland and Britain, this is what they are supporting. And the other ones are hiding under carpet. This is what you people are supporting. Supporting corruption in the highest order. Supporting the killings of the Christians. Supporting the killings of the Biafrans. Supporting the killings of men and the women and the children. How can this be? And we are here. They are telling us, oh, there is what they call democracy. There is what they call justice and equity. I still ask this question. This justice and equity and the fairness, is it there is people that make it different? This man they are parading today at the courts because of freedom of speech. And the way this man was speaking the truth, which is our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was speaking the truth. Because of the truth, they took him and keep him. Because of, in a system where corruption is the order of the day, how can that society drive? How can something good come to that society? Ndebanye, corruption can never bring something good. All your governors, your elite, all of them, all their apparatus are all corrupt. Nothing to talk about, nothing to give account of. This is country that Finland you are supporting. You took Simon Ekpa and you arrested him. You keep him where you keep him. It's only God knows where you guys keep him. Finland country. Finland government, this is what you are supporting. Something that you cannot tolerate to happen in your own country, but you people, because of oil and the gas that comes from my land, that comes from Biafra land, that is what you need. Because of to suck oil and the gas, you forget what is justice. You forget human rights. You forget equity. Because of they have buyed you, or because of you, Finland government cannot tell us anything that we are not accomplished or we are not this. No, because of we know this country are heavily corrupt. They can buy anybody. They can buy anybody. Listen here, Finland government, come here, call them. Let them listen here. What is happening in that court? Will this kind of bullshit happen in your own country? We want to know, Finland. Let's go there. Give me 1 minute, please. As you're watching this program, do us a favor. Subscribe on this platform. We must speak the truth the way it is raw. We have to speak the truth raw so that people listen. I want to tell our people something. The time for people to be talking our story, to be telling us our story is over. We have to write our stories by ourselves. We have to speak our stories. We have to talk our stories by ourselves. No more, no more the third person or somebody else writing our own stories, writing our own history, writing our own pens. That Finland have contributed they have contributed in the pens of Biafra by arresting our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko, by arresting that innocent man, by keeping him the way you people keep him that nobody knows. It's only God that knows where you people keep him. But I pray, my prayer to our Prime Minister, ask him, Jehovah, onye nke m na-akpụ isi ana na-enye, Jehovah ugwu nke a na-arị atụ egwu, ndị Igbo na-etu ebighị ebi, ọ ga-ekpuchite gị, ọ ga-edu gị, ọ ga-enye gị amamife n'elu amamife, ọ ga-enye gị nghọta nke m pụrụ iche. Oh, the same thing ka m na-ekpere our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu, the lion himself. You are really the lion. The lion himself. I call you the lion. Ibu asemo Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu. Amami fe m ga-eji wee tụnyere gị. Amaghị m ife m ga-eji wee tụnye gị. Ekpere m taata bụ, ana m akpọ mmụọ niile nọ n'ala Igbo, mmụọ niile nọ na be nna m, ana m akpọ mmụọ mmiri, ana m akpọ mmụọ elu, ana m akpọ mmụọ ala, ana m akpọ ife niile Igbo nji wee duru ebube. Ana m asị biko nụ, kulienu n'ike na ebube, lekwe na our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu, chebe ya enu, kpuchite ya enu, otu ọkụkọ nsi ekpuchite ụmụ ya. Asị m unu chebe ya, kpuchite ya, kpuchite ya otu ọkụkọ nsi ekpuchite nwa ya, kpuchite ya enu wite ọba aka nke gị, unu kpuchite ya n'ebe m pụrụ iche. Unu ekpekpene ka atụmatụ onye iro mbịa na mmezu ebe ọ nọ. Chineke biko kwa, Chineke biko, Chukwu okike abịa ma ọ bụdị ka m na-akpọ ugwu nke a na-arị na-atụ egwu. Ana m akpọ gị n'isi our prime minister, n'isi our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu. Ngwa ọbụla ha ntụnyere ha were na-etuba n'ime ụlọ mkpọrọ nga ọchịchịrị mgbara n'onweghị ife ọ ga-afụ. Chineke onye nke m pụrụ m ihe niile, onye mbi n'eluigwe nke asaa, ana m asị gị, lekwa oru gị nwoke, lekwa oru gị nwoke Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu, chebe ya, kpuchite ya. Ekpekpene ka ọchịchị onye iro mmezuo n'ebe ọ nọ. Ekpedine ka ọchịchị onye iro mmezuo n'ebe ọ nọ. Ị na-enweta ekpere anya, ị na-ekpe n'ime mmụọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Gaa to our comment station, kpebere anyị ise ebe ahụ, kpebere anyị ise na comment station. Let's go. Finland government, call them, let them come around and see what atrocity the country you people are supporting because of what? Oil and the gas. Agro, poverty before joy. Because of money, you people now will sell the right of your own government. You say you are government, that you are practicing law and order. Listen here to see what is the country you are supporting. Come, Finland government, come and listen. Because of you are part of the problem we have.
Has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of
This is the leader of indigenous people.
From my case, and
that is the leader of indigenous people speaking. Mazi Nnamdi ukwu Kanu, Ohamadike.
It's my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you.
Listen, Finland government, come. Inside the court where you people call judiciary. This is inside.
I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges.
Okay.
And they told them.
Okay.
They told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who's that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing, but it doesn't matter the office. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening.
Okay.
So, disobedience to Superior Court orders. Supreme Court said you insisting on trying me. A court order was entered, and that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask you. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
Finland government, this is, you are adding salt on the pain that we, the Biafrans, are having. This is our first pain. We are talking about our leader was told me, in your country, where will you go and kidnap somebody and you bring him to kangaroo court, then called their kangaroo court? You went to kidnap somebody. How can you judge someone in something, in injustice? The first step that the government, the so-called Nigerian government, the step they took, you went to kidnap somebody because of their country, then doesn't respect law and order. Then doesn't care. They went to Kenya to kidnap this man and brought him to Nigeria. Finland government. I want you people to get this video. Please share this video. Drop your, please subscribe to this our channel. Share our video, because of Finland government are accomplice. They have collude. They collude now to destroy the lives of we Biafra, to destroy the lives of the Christians, to destroy the lives of children, to destroy the lives of women, to destroy the lives of men. Because of because of money, because of economic purposes. No more truth. This man was kidnapped in Kenya, brought in kangaroo court in Nigeria to be judged. How can you judge somebody on something that something that you know that is impossible? You as a government have already committed your own crime by kidnapping someone and brought him back. So on that reason, it's not one court that have dismissed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's not two court, it's not third court. Court and order have been given. Let this man go. These people hold him. Now, Bianco Juku, Wanye Ekpa, Mami Water, this woman now writing forged petition against the child of God, Prime Minister Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, writing petition. Finland government went to dance to this tone. How can Finland government do something that humanity will judge you? You do good in this planet, Finland government, humanity will judge you for good. You do bad in this planet, humanity will judge you for bad. From me, from here is good evening. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to this our channel. Please leave your comment and like the videos, and make sure you share our video. As you are doing this, you are helping this channel, you are helping our channel to grow, you are helping the voice to be going more further. You are giving us the strength to be going more further. As you are doing that, I say Chukwu okike abịama, ugwu nke a na-arị na-atụ egwu, ya gọzie gị, pụrụ mmaji na mmaji. Ife nke ọbụla ị na-emene n'ụwa, ife ọbụla itinye n'aka, asị m Chukwu okike abịama gọzie gị. From me, from here is good evening.